Want to see how I make my sea berry sea moss gel? Let's get it. To your bowl, you're going to want to add organic strawberries, blueberries, red raspberries, and black raspberries, squeezing in some organic lemon juice for preservation. I popped the lemon rind in there to give it a little lemon zesty flavor, and I'm drizzling in some organic amber agave syrup, sprinkling on some organic coconut palm sugar, and then I'm going to go ahead and give this a nice good mix, allowing the juices to come forth from the fruit. And as you can see, it is already juicy. Yes. And then I'm going to go ahead and place this into a couple of Ziploc bags. I'm adding the lemon rind in there as well to continue to give off that lemon zesty flavor. And then I'm going to go ahead and pop these bags into the bottom of my refrigerator so that the flavors can marry for a couple days. And after a couple days, this is what you should see. The fruit has broken down, it has softened, and I'm going to go ahead and add this to my already prepared wild crafted Jamaican sea moss. And as I am placing the fruit in there, it's going to start to change the color, especially after I add the juice. And it's going to make it look nice and pretty. Take a look at that. Look at that juice. And look how pretty it turns out. It's going to get better from here, I promise you, because I got to blend this down. So I'm going to use an immersion blender to blend this, and I'm not going to blend it till it's completely smooth. I'm not even going to remove the seeds because this is all going to be for a health benefit, but I also like to have a little bit of chunk to it. And then I'm going to add a little bit more amber agave for sweetness and a little bit more of the lemon juice for preservation. And then from here, I'm just going to bottle it up and place them into the refrigerator to firm. So here I'm using 8-ounce mason jars, and you don't want to fill it all the way to the top because once you refrigerate it, it will swell. So just don't fill it to the brim and you should be good. And once it's all refrigerated and firm, you will have the tastiest, the most delicious sea berry sea moss gel that you never had. So good. So enjoy.